After months of radio silence on the Splatoon Raiders front, Nintendo has finally opened the floodgates. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech and gaming place. The company has started uncovering the details that fans have been waiting for months. Now, we know that the game will be out on 23rd July. We've seen the tie-in amiibo, and even the price, and the box art is out too. Starting with the most important aspect, the price tag. Splatoon Raiders is set to roll out at a cost of $49.99 digitally or $59.99 physically, while the UK price of the game is still not out yet, though it'll likely be around £49.99. The physical is marked a little higher, marking the second game to adopt the physical/digital split in North America after Nintendo introduced its new pricing structure for Yoshi and the Mysterious Book. However, this pricing difference has been in effect in Europe for some time. Honestly, that's not too bad for a Switch 2 exclusive. A lot of information is still under wraps about the game itself, of course, but the good part is the price is still cheaper than most fans were expecting. As for the cover art, there is a fresh image of the deep-cut trio and your playable mechanic character all in cool action poses. There's a lot of ink on the ground, and a horde of ominous red-eyed salmonids loom in the background. Looks like Nintendo has put some thought in this, or maybe hired a professional. The accompanying amiibo show Shiver, Fry, and Big Man in their new Raiders outfits, and their bases can even be slotted together to make up a sweet stand. But if you really want to play Splatoon Raiders, just know that the website lists the estimated game file size at 20 gigabytes. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.